Hello everyone, my name is Suparna Das and I am a business administration student at Lakeland College. Today I am excited to share how I created my website for my e-commerce project using Canva. So let's get started. First, I started by choosing a clean and calming color theme because my brand Mindful Mug focuses on mindfulness and slow living. Canva makes this easy. I selected a simple template and customized the fonts, colors and layout so everything felt soft, minimal and peaceful. So this is my home page. On the home page, I added a large hero banner with my main tagline, Elevate Every Sip Mindfully. I also placed a clear Shop Now button here which will directly take you to my product page. And in the product page, I displayed each mug with clean photos, prices and a simple design. I wanted the layout to feel uncluttered and easy to shop. So if anyone wanna buy anything from here, they can add to cart and go for shopping. And then I also created supporting pages to make the website feel complete. Now go to the policy page. The policy page includes shipping, returns and privacy and quality guarantee, details to build trust. Then this is the contact page. Here I created the contact page which allows customer to reach out easily through email. The email is here and or the message form. Along with the website, I create a full social media content plan. Each post has a clear purpose. For example, a Monday Instagram motivation post for inspiration, a TikTok reel for fun and awareness. This is for Tuesday and this is for Wednesday. I made an Instagram carousel post highlighting mindfulness benefit. Then a Friday we can sell post. This is Facebook we can sell post to drive purchases. And then to the Sunday, this is a Sunday Pinterest post to celebrate togetherness with someone special. All this taught me how branding stays consistent across platforms. This project taught me that you can make a clean professional website without needing any coding or technical skill. Just a proper guide, just a proper tool, clear brand and professional guidance. It was a great hands-on experience that strengthened my confidence in digital marketing and website creation. Thank you for joining me in this how-to video.